How you doing, people? I just arrived to Kuta. I'm in Beach Walk. There's the situation of the beach walk, actually, outside the beach walk, what's going on, the construction of the wall. But today, I'm not gonna focus on this part of Kuta. I wanna show you the garbage lane, but I still have to cross the mall. That's the easiest way, especially if you park the bike somewhere, and I'm not gonna drive today. Basically, if you wanna go from the main Kuta beach to the Poppies lane, you have to cross the pass full entire mall. And you will see this open space here with some mascots here and some brands, and yeah, you just have to go on this level, on the one level, stay on this ground floor. Then you will see Nespresso, Digimap and the Foot Locker, turn right, and there will be the Fossil, Roxy, and then you will see just literally the entrance to the Poppies Lane 2 over there. It's very windy. There is even name of the gate, Poppies Gate. So there is the security, of course, checking bags and everything, safety first, especially if you're coming from Poppies Lanes. This is because of many reasons. And yeah, and this is the main street. This is where I used to film so many times during the pandemic, but been like a half year or more when I was here last time. All the stalls here, the shops are open again, and they transform, additionally selling the bags, for example, but they also selling the food and drinks like a tea, security, smoking here, people chilling, strolling around. I'm gonna show you today Poppies Lane 2. Also, you can rent the motorbike here, brand new and maxes. So yeah, I hope so you still remember when I was strolling here driving mostly. There was totally empty, zero, totally deserted, abandoned, whatever you call it. Nothing was going on here. Here, well, there is not so busy like it was before pandemic, but it's definitely busier. But the most important thing, most of the businesses are back and they are open again. What else you can find here? Mostly the massage parlors, tattoo parlors, massage obviously. You know, many shops with the, you know, stuff like what you see on the screen right now, t-shirts, bags. Mostly t-shirts and bags, actually, some sunglasses. And well, there are some also hotels, but also some businesses are closed, unfortunately, like this one over here. It's also good to walk from the beach walk deep inside into Legion direction because the sun is very sharp, opposite way. So it's also, that's why I'm facing my camera like this. However, before pandemic, especially 2016-17, I remember I was extremely busy over here everywhere, but now businesses are open, they come back to business. That's happy to see that, but not so many people, not many people even passing by. Everything looks a little bit sad. But at least businesses are open and they are full of hope as they're gonna make some business today. Perfect place for shopping if you're looking for some, you know, non-branded stuff or counterfeit or McDonald's slide sandals, for example. This is the perfect place for you. There's also Carla Spa full of the massage ladies waiting for you. And well, some places are closed, unfortunately, and there is some bar also here. Welcome, Churchill. I think this is like an Aussie bar, bloody cold beer, must be Aussie bar. Some expats who, mostly expats who are married with the local partners, they having businesses here as well. That was the one of the first after summer tourist destinations in full entire Bali. So in 90s and early 20s, before the bomb attack, that was extremely busy part of Kuta, and so many of you have lovely memories from Poppies Lanes. Anyways, there's some refurbishment of something, maybe some new guest house or hotel, one of the junctions here. I will go deep inside this gang. There was the Mexican place here, but it's closed totally right now. And there is some renovation, maybe brand new business gonna be here. So sorry if it's a little bit loud, but the construction is ongoing. And there is the Cramp and Coaster also. I heard one nice coffee shop, pretty modern, nice for the coffee, maybe for lunch, breakfast. Also quite a lot of people, they have an aircon room, which is very rare in this part of Bali. But I'm not going for coffee on today's occasion. But wanted to show you, as you can find some nice place here as well. Just in case if you're on Poppies Lanes. The construction site very loud there. I'm gonna show you here, Grand Barong Resort. That's one of the very popular place here for stay. I know many of my viewers had a great memories from this resort. It's open, it was closed during the pandemic. And then you have more deeper you going. You will see some more businesses, establishments. Little bit more alive here, I'm gonna tell you. Some little bar here. Here we go. Yeah, so many Australian bars here with the Aussie flags. But like I said many times, Kuta Legian is like a little Australia here. That's everybody know that, or should know, but that's what is it. And well, it's more alive, nice stuff here. Some happy customers buying something, tattoo places, people. So yeah, it's actually a little bit different. If you go more deep inside, it's actually better. Another Aussie place. As you can see, everybody looking. But this is, what is it? This is exactly what I mentioned. You can buy some Supreme Jordan 2-in-1. And basically you can find also some nice old restaurants here. One of the oldest restaurants in Kuta are actually here in Poppies Lanes, and also some homestays. And yeah, some people are strolling around. This is also a great place for backpackers like this guy. But yeah, some people coming here, what I'm gonna tell you. Some people time to time. So it's not as that bad as it was. Definitely better. And also big tattoo complex. So many tattoo parlors, tattoo studios in one huge building. Everybody waiting for you. And you can buy stuff like this one in this store. Famous for the surfboards like this one. That's it. However, you can still find sad views like this building over here, which is totally closed. Unfortunately, something happened. I think there are local people living actually behind, and another shop here closed. But I could say 80% come back. During the pandemic, it was like literally 100% closed. There was literally nothing open here. Not even one place, only at the front of the beach walk. And yeah, this is also the shortcut many people driving, because this is like a shortcut from Kuta Beach. You can cross directly to the Legian Street at the front of the Sky Garden, which is just over there, where is the end of the street. And yeah, another massage parlor, tattoo next to it, suit with the bintang, for example, with the bush, painting shops, you know, sunglasses, regular stuff to buy. Also, there is the Gang Kronta, where you can find some restaurants like Greek restaurant, I forgot, Santorini, I think. And remember, sun is very sharp if you're gonna go that direction. Renovations. And another Bagus pub here. Also some happy Aussie people inside, I guess. Looks like this one. I will go to the end, I wanna show you. Basically at the front you have a bomb monument here, so many locals trying to sell you something, obviously. That's the Legian Street, you go straight there. Is this the Legian? There was VIP, closed, Sky Garden at the front. And there is actually the entrance to the Poppies Lane too. Just from the other side, this is actually the whole entire street lanes, nearly whole entire street lanes. It's also a little bit sad how recently, 1 year after the Bali opened the borders, not many sellers here, especially in Kuta, wants to be on the camera. Even I try to interact with something, they just hiding the faces. They just simply don't want to be on the video. Even the boys who offer me something when I just start filming, just completely quiet. That's pretty sad, but somehow I try to understand that. It's maybe hard to believe that. You can hear the loud music still, the construction time to time. But in 90s, late 80s, beginning of 90s, especially in 90s after 2000 to 2003, that was one of the most busiest, hype, vibrant, charm, whatever you call it, places in the whole entire Bali to enjoy and explore. Well, we have a 2023, looks a little bit different. But in my opinion, if you're brave enough, it's still worth to come and visit here these places, even just to having a small stroll like I do it today. And also guys, don't take me wrong, I know this area is very popular to the Australian communities, and Australian people just love these places. But I see also people from India, from other Asian countries, Indonesia, overall from all around the world here coming and visiting this place. So I also encourage you to come and visit yourself. It's definitely not that busy like in 90s, so maybe that's why actually it's a good opportunity right now to come and visit, and maybe perhaps support a little bit of the people here. This is, what is it, I'm gonna come back to the beach walk because it's actually so hot in Bali again. Also, if you drive a motorbike, this is exactly the little road where is the exit from the parking area, and you're gonna enter to the Poppies Lane too. Anyways, either you like it or you don't like it, you will experience that at least a little bit. Beach Walk Kuta Fest, that's the brand new summer decorations in Beach Walk, pretty decent. the body shops and such, Johnny Rockets. This is what you can find everything here in the mall. Maybe I'm gonna show you a little bit to the new wing, because not everybody of you are familiar with the new wing. I definitely needs to be a little bit in the mall because I already got so hot when I was running on the Poppies lanes, but I think I could make a coverage of the Poppies lane show today. Anyways, that's the Mark & Spencer here also recently, and some other shops, and also there is the Loft by Marriott in Kuta, and that's the new entrance. Also there's renovation of something ongoing, and this is the newest wing here. There are some restaurants and coffee shops where you can hang out, also outside overlooking the hotels. This is YOLO and Loft. Well, that's it for today's video. Just wanted to show you a little bit around. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. I promise you actually I'm gonna drive and cover Poppies Lane 2 and Poppies Lane 1, but I decided I'm gonna show you only Poppies Lane 2 today, at least where more detailed and you can have a look what's going on. See you tomorrow.